Hello children, welcome to the geography class. In this session, we are going to discuss about natural resources. Before that, let's see the syllabus. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about definition of natural vegetation, importance of forests, types of vegetation, in which we are going to learn about tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert forest, littoral forest, mountain forest, and distribution and correlation with their environment. Lastly, we'll discuss about forest conservation. Among the most valuable resources of India, the forest plays a very important role in its climate as well as economic development. Forests are our renewable resources and helps in maintaining ecological balance. Natural vegetation refers to the plant cover that has not been disturbed over a long time, so as to allow its individual species to adjust themselves fully to the climate and soil conditions. Thus, grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without any human interference constitutes the natural vegetation of an area. There is a difference between flora, vegetation, and forest. Flora refers to plants of a particular region listed as species and considered as a group. For example, the eastern Himalayas have about 4,000 species of plants which vary with increasing altitude from tropical to temperate and alpine. Whereas vegetation refers to the assemblage of plant species living in association with each other in a given environmental setup. A great variety of natural vegetation is found in India due to unequal distribution of temperature and rainfall. With more than 45,000 plant species, India is the 10th largest in the world and 4th largest in Asia in plant diversity. Forest refers to a large tract of land covered with trees and accompanying undergrowth of shrubs, herbs, and sustaining thousands of life forms, which include both plants and animals. In legal terminology, a forest is any land with its vegetative cover that has been so declared under a legal provision. Now let us discuss about the importance of forests. A forest is the habitat that has many trees. It is a community of trees, shrubs, herbs, and associated plants and organisms that cover a considerable area. The functions of the forest may be broadly classified into following categories: protective function, productive function, regulative function, and accessory function. First is productive function. Forest provides us with a variety of forest products which have medicinal and commercial values. Wood is used for making furniture in houses and industrial units. Wood and bamboo pulp are used for manufacturing paper and paperboard. It is also used as a source of energy for cooking. Forest products other than timber and firewood includes fibers, essential oils, oil seeds, and edible plants. Bamboos provide a means of livelihood for the tribals who make mats, baskets, ropes, etc. using bamboo. It is also used in the manufacture of rayon. Next is protective function. Forests help in checking floods by allowing more water to seep through the soil and reduce the quantity of runoff on the surface. The thick layer of humus in the forest prevents evaporation of water. The humus acts as a natural sponge and helps to soak the rainwater in the soil. The forest, with its complex root system, binds the soil, thereby preventing soil erosion and loss of nutrients. The thick humus over the years is formed by the decay of forest litter, which increase the fertility of soil. Next is regulatory function. The green leaves of the trees perform photosynthesis during the day. This is the only natural process that releases life-supporting oxygen into the atmosphere. During photosynthesis, green parts of the plant take up carbon dioxide from the air, and in the presence of sunlight, manufacture food in the form of carbohydrates. Oxygen is given off as a byproduct. Thus, forests maintain the oxygen-carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere and help control global warming. Trees also transpire large amount of water in the form of water vapor through their aerial surface. This process helps to cool the environment and also contributes to the water cycle in the nature. Thus, forests help in bringing good rainfall. Next is accessory functions. Accessory functions of the tree means that the forests provide habitat for the wildlife. Forests also provide aesthetics and recreation to human beings through national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. The natural vegetation grows well in hot and humid climatic conditions. The natural vegetation in India varies greatly from one region to another due to variation in climatic conditions. On the basis of reliefs, climate, and soils, the natural vegetation in India can be broadly divided into following 5 types, and they are the tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forests, tropical desert forest, littoral forest, and mountain or montane forest. Now let us understand about tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are also known as rainforest. These forests are found in the areas where the annual rainfall is more than 200 cm. They occur where average annual temperature is between 25 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius, and average annual humidity exceeds 77%. Tropical evergreen forests are found on the slopes of Western Ghats, hills of northeastern region, and the island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar, and Tamil Nadu coast. Following are the characteristic features of tropical evergreen forest. Since this region remains warm and wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds. Trees, shrubs, and creepers giving it a multi-layered structure which look like a continuous green carpet when viewed from above. These forests are very dense and have tall trees which can reach to the heights of more than 60 meters. The carpet layer of herbs and grasses cannot grow because of the dense canopy of trees which do not allow enough sunlight to reach the ground. Due to high heat and high humidity, the trees in the tropical evergreen forests do not shed their leaves, at least not together. That is why these forests appear green all the year round. Following are the varieties of trees. Rosewood, ebony, mahogany, toon, siso, etc. are widely grown in the tropical evergreen forest. Economic value. Tropical evergreen forests produce various plant species of high economic value. The wood from the tropical evergreen forest is hard, durable, and fine-grained. Due to the tangled mass of canes, palms, bamboos, ferns, and climbers, along with the lack of means of transportation, these forests have not been fully exploited.